Sorry I'm late. Traffic was hell and I couldn't leave early.
Let's just use the time we have. How are you today, Clark?
Like shit.
Can I ask, and there is no wrong answer here, you know that. Are you intoxicated right now?
Why you say it like that?
Like what?
I haven't had a drink since Friday. Probably why I look like shit. Can I ask you something?
Sure.
You ever fuck someone?
A few times over the years, when it was necessary.
What makes it necessary?
If I believe that the person is gravely disabled.
Okay. Okay. I found something in the store.
Okay. What did you find?
The store. I found it in the store.
The store.
It's like the store, just, store, I guess. It's like, like there's a wall, and on the other side of the wall, the store just keeps going, like a copy of itself. I figure they're using mirrors or something to hide the entrance. I don't know.
Oh, sorry, I'm not following you. Are you intoxicated right now?
No. Okay, so you go in, and at first it just looks like a store, like a huge store, and then but then you keep going, and then you realize that none of it makes any sense. It's like imagine describing a diaper to someone who's never seen one before, and then asking them to draw it. They might get some things right, but there's no way they'd get everything right. The devil's in the details. So from a distance, you look at it, you think you're seeing a diaper, but then you look close. Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm just trying to understand.
Oh. For a shrink, you got a terrible poker face.
What you're saying might sound fantastical, but are you intoxicated right now? Are there any gravely disabled people in the store?
Not that I've seen. I hear there's footsteps and stuff gets moved around when I'm not looking. I know how this sounds, but you gotta understand, it's massive in there. Like New York's subway system, massive. For all I know, there's hundreds of people I just haven't seen. Playing myself. You see, it's like a maze. It just goes on and on and on. Sometimes I'm scared I'll get lost.
Why do you think no one else has found this place?
I don't know. The entrance is on the subfloor, so the whole structure is probably underground. It's not on any city maps. The entrances are hidden, so who'd think to look? Why are you looking at me like that?
Are you gravely disabled right now? Clark,
No.
If this is true...
Yeah, I get it. Thank you. I'm gonna come with proof. And you're gonna owe me a serious fucking apology. Playing myself.